Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Lehman from Math with Mrs. Lehman, and I'm trying to make sure that everybody gets into my Khan Academy classroom. So you'll see in the bottom right hand corner of the screen here, it says Khan Academy with a green shape. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, so that is a hexagon. And so anyway, what you are going to do is download that either from the App Store, or I don't know if you're on an iPhone, it's the App Store, or another device, whatever they call that store. And then it's free, so you just download that. And then you're going to have some sign-in prompts to sign up as a student. So make sure you're signing up as a student and creating your account and putting in your birthday and using your actual name so that I can see who you are when you're doing work and not just some like robot of math 3 or something. Although that would be a pretty cool sign in. But anyway, so what you need to do once you're in here and all logged in is if you go in the upper right hand corner, see again, I'll do it upper right hand corner right across from Khan Academy, right below where it shows I need to charge my battery soon, you're going to click on that blue gear. And what that does is it gives you all of these settings and stuff like that. So just ooh, I have sound effects turned on. Woohoo! Anyway, and I don't know how I got all those energy points. That means nothing to me. But what we're going to do is go to Manage Teachers, which you'll see is right up above Sign Out. It's the second option down. Go to Manage Teachers, and obviously I've already added myself, but you're going to go to Add Teacher. And in that box, you're just going to type in the codes that I've either emailed to you. If you haven't yet joined, I check your Google email, your school email. I've already emailed you the code for your class. The next option for that would be Google Classroom. I posted them in there as well. But either way, type in that combo of numbers and letters that I've given you, and then you're going to add, and you will see then that it connects it all to me. It will say your math classroom, etc. So I'm just clicking around, but that is how you need to do this to get it linked to me as your teacher, because when I go into Google Classroom, that's not really the best option. I need to go into Khan Academy and see it there. So I'm learning too, so I apologize if you have been doing this stuff on Google Classroom and you've turned it in there and then it's not showing up for me. Essentially, I guess what I had been doing, the way I was posting it, was just essentially giving you a link, and it wasn't then making it count toward your credit, if that makes sense. So I apologize for that. Luckily, this was a pretty short assignment. So you just have to watch the video. That'll give you 100 for just watching the video. And then you have some questions to answer on what is the difference between a statistical question and a non-statistical question. And you'll go through all of those, and then you will be all set for next week. There's also some IXL skills that you can practice along with statistics, and make sure you check those out. If you want to go on my website for our school, go to our school and then check out 6th grade Mrs. Lehman, and you will see that I have posted under school closure, up at the top tab, there is kind of a guideline, a layout, schedule of sorts that walks you through each week of this closure from now until the end of the year. So basically we're covering everything statistics. So the first thing we're starting with is what makes a question statistical. So anyway, I'll let you guys watch that video and do those questions. And please, please, please make sure you're logged in and linked to my classroom. Otherwise, I'm not able to give you credit for doing this work. So please make sure you do that. If you have questions, reach out to me. I've spent some time on the phone today calling some people and trying to walk them through this process. So if you definitely are lost, I'll do my best to try to walk you through it over the phone if that's what you would like. But try to find on the app, on the app it's easy, just manage teachers, but try to find, excuse me, in the, on the actual website, if you're on a computer or laptop, desktop or laptop, that you try to find something where you can add a teacher and it will prompt you to add a code, and that's the code that I've emailed you and posted in Classroom. So anyway, I'll be uploading on Sunday evenings right now as a plan, but at latest it'll be Monday morning sometime, and then you have all the way until Thursday evening to get that work done. So that's what I'll be looking at as far as your grades. I also recommend that you go on iExcel and practice for, a little bit each day, even if it's 15, 20 minutes. But, some of that is just going to be you kind of taking that initiative yourself. So if you need anything, please let me know and send me an email, and I will do my best to help you. All right. I hope everything is well in your world, and I miss you guys, and we'll get through this. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye.